In this video, we're going to learn how to write an article about Albert Einstein in minutes. First, let's start by creating a new document so we can access the necessary tools to generate the article. We can now click on the newly created document to get started. You will find all the tools you need on the left sidebar. Let's get started by clicking on Article Intro. Now we can describe what we want our introduction to be about. We can then set the number of words for the introduction. Now we click on Generate and let the magic happen. And there it is, the introduction for our article. We can now click on the copy icon to add the text to the editor. Be sure to fact-check the generated text for any inaccuracies by editing or removing unwanted sentences. Now let's generate an outline for our article by clicking on Article Outline. This will help us give a structure to our article. Remember, you don't have to abide by the outline. You are free to mix and match, edit, or remove any point. Now we can begin generating sections for each bullet point. And finally, we come to the conclusion by clicking on Article Conclusion and simply writing Albert Einstein without any additions. And there we have it, a full article generated in minutes.